Hey there, and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at where to find the pi key and how to use it on the Sharp EL-531XT calculator. To do this, as I said, we'll be using the pi key. It looks like this and is located right here underneath the delete key. The pi key is useful for a lot of calculations, an example of which is working with circles. So for example, if we wanted to calculate the circumference of a circle, like in this question, the circumference of a circle with the radius of 11 centimeters, we could use this formula, c equals 2 pi r, to figure out that circumference. And we need that pi key. So to solve this, we enter it as 2, and then the pi, and then the radius. Well, that radius was 11 centimeters, so we go times 11 and press equals. There we go. 2 pi times r gave us 69.115, etc. Another example, we can use it to solve for the area of a circle with a known radius of 12 centimeters with this formula here. Area equals pi times r squared. Again, we use the pi key times our radius, which was 12, and then squaring that with the x squared key. There we go. Pi times r squared equals, and we see this gives us 452.3899, etc. As you can see, the pi key is pretty handy to use, and if you're missing it, like I was earlier, or couldn't find it, it's right there. It hides a little bit. So, hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.